You can kind of see how eerie it really looks out here. Really anticipating the winds to start to pick up right now, but definitely trying to get some, or keep our eyes really close on that couplet that you guys have been talking about here for quite some time.
Yeah, it looks rather impressive from your side as well. Remember, folks, there's only so much that we can see on the radar. So that's the nice thing about having the beast out there. We have those eyes out there that can show us exactly what is taking place. And in this case, we're noticing this impressive shelf cloud. But right there, what we're noticing right there, some very intense rain that is coming down. You can see that sheet of activity located just west of where they are, quickly advancing his way off to the east itself. So that's our biggest concern. We're just a little concerned that we could be talking about maybe a brief spin up to possibly where their location is. Once again,
oh, is there a tornado on the ground?
I think
right
that looks like it.
Look at that.
We do have a tornado on the ground.
Okay.
Once again, Morgan.
Right ahead
Once
of
again,
us.
Morgan.
We're going.
Once again, Morgan, tell us your location again.
Sorry, talking to Evan.
What's your location
we are
again?
just off of I-74 at the Andover exit. I-74 off the Andover exit. So
I-74 in Illinois 81.
I believe that's what we're tracking right now.
Yeah.
We have a confirmed tornado on the ground. We have a tornado on the ground.
In front of us. It was behind us.
Just outside of Andover on Interstate 74.
I'm all turned over around.
Once again, not only do we have Morgan Strackbine in the Beast, but we also have Evan Bunkers. He is driving the Beast as well. And they're going to try and get themselves into position to continue to monitor that tornado. That is officially on the ground. We actually saw it with our own eyes. So that's a big concern that we have with that particular storm that we're noticing, Andrew.
Yeah, and I'm going to show you exactly where Morgan was. I was looking at her location. They are right there where that blue dot is, looking likely to the northwest, where you're seeing those greens and that now red color indicating that strong rotation. Just looking at that location again, that's I-74 in Illinois 81, the intersection right there west of Andover. That is where we just saw live from the Beast, that tornado, and you could see it was wrapped in rain.
Yes.
Very hard to kind of make out there. But yeah, that confirms exactly what we've been afraid of with that part of the storm. That rotating part, that's that little kind of thumb, if you will, that's sticking out of there. So that's a sign. If you're in Andover, Osco, Cambridge even, eventually here, it is time to get underground immediately.
I'll let the guys know in the back in our booth. Actually, once they get themselves in a position, let's go right to the Beast if we can. We're noticing that activity in the Beast. We're noticing that there is a tornado on the ground. It looks like, I'm not sure if they're going more south or north, but if you just joined us, there is a tornado that is on the ground just outside of Andover and looks like continues to make his way off toward the east. So once again, if we're able to get Morgan again, kind of once again show us what they've just done. They just moved the Beast around, probably likely getting into a much safer location. It's wonderful to go out and do these changes. I mean, especially for meteorologists, it's very exhilarating. But at the same time, you have to think about the safety side of it as well. Given the fact that now we're getting ready to approach 8 o'clock, it gets darker, and when you're dealing with a situation where the rain is actually wrapping around the rotation of that storm, it makes it even more dangerous. So do we have Morgan back on the line, and she can tell us now what are they planning on doing here? Morgan?
Talk. Hello. Hey, guys. So we're just trying to get ourselves in a safe position here, but you can see everyone's kind of slowing down. Winds have definitely picked up here. I think we're going to try to turn around here so we can start going back north. Again, we're on I-74 right now, just near Andover. A lot of wind. We've gotten some really gusty wind out here as well. You can kind of see how fast those trees are moving.
There's a tree.
Oh, there goes a tree.
There goes a tree.
And it,
Stay right there.
Numerous.
whoop! Sorry, we got some debris coming out the truck.
Yeah, right now on radar, debris signature right over Interstate 74 at Illinois 81. Debris signature on the radar with this tornado.
Let's keep this shot if we can, and then if we show, can we do a dual box here and actually show the radar as well? They're trying to move the camera a little bit more. Once again, let's explain a little bit more about a debris tracker. This is our...
Hello, my mic is up. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, Morgan.
Yeah, sorry, we just wanted to make sure that we were safe. There is a whole lot of wind out here. You just saw all those trees go down. And it is still really windy out here on I-74. Here's a look at our front view.
Wow.
And again, we're going really slow right now through this.
Once again, are you moving on you north or
Oh yeah,
heading
we kind
south?
of we are heading north now.
Okay.